James, Keen, and Micah. Second in line, Crystalline. Second in line, Crystalline, Patricia, Fong, and Izzy. Third in line and their last game, Gian and Sian, Wade and JV. Court 1, Gam, James, King, and Micah. Court 1, Gam and James, King, and Micah. To court 1, please. Court 1, Gam and James, King, and Micah. To court 1, please. Next set, be ready. Crystalline and Patricia, Fong and Izzy. Second in line and their last game, Gian and Sian, Whale and JV. Third in line and their last game, Ezra, JP, Evelyn, and Christine. Court 4, Crystalline, Patricia, Fong. Please stand by. Please stand by, Crystalline, please stand by. Court 4 and their last game, Ezra, JP, Evelyn, and Christine. Court 4 and their last game, Ezra and JP versus Evelyn and Christine. Court 4 and their last game, Ezra, JP, Evelyn, and Christine. Next set, be ready. Tana and Rhodes, Crystalline and Patricia. Second in line and their last game, Gian and Sian, Whale and JV. Third in line and their last game, Fong, Izzy, Paolo, and Mark. Fourth in line and their last game, Gam, Sir Francis, Nico, and Vance. Fifth in line and their last game, Evan and Arvin, Bless, and Vince.
Grabe ka naman. Scout. Boss. Sige, sold naman. Okay ka lang, Edward.
Part 3, Rhodes and Tala, Crystalline and Patricia, Part 3. Rhodes and Tala, Crystalline and Patricia, Part 3, please. Your next game will be your last game players. Your next game will be your last game players.
sumali ako, ay nakakatawa. Sila lang pala nakakatawa.
Ma'am, papalit na lang ako.
Sige, sir.
Sean! Sean!
Pero si Sean, next set na siya.
Next set ba?
Sino? Ikaw? Ikaw ba?
Oo.
Ako na lang.
Ikaw na? Oo, sige.
Sino?
Ito. Girls. Go. Go.
Last na.
Eh, si Sean, sabihin si Sean, sir.
Sean, hindi. Next ka daw. Si Mike lang. Ako, hindi naman ko lang ito lang. Para mga punta dito, hindi naman mga bata.
Uwi niyo po. Sila.
Saturday. Kaya nga po eh, sana Sunday.
Pero yung iba, Sunday ha.
Opo, Sunday po.
Makakarating sila.
Ewan ko lang po.
Oh, mix na kayo. Mix na lang kayo.
Mix na kayo.
Gusto niyo pa ano?
Mix na lang kayo.
Mix.
Gusto niyo ba, ladies?
Gusto ko ba kasi?
Ay, wala po. Wala po.
Ayaw niya yun. Ayun yan. Rainy, sporty. Lahat ng may bay.
Last 8 games, players. Last 8 games. Gian and Sian, Real and JV. Fong and Easy, Paolo and Mark. Vince, Sir Francis, Nico and Vance. Arvin, Bless, Evan and Gam. Lana and Brian, Kristen and Christian. Eborn and Marian, Kai and Dodds. Vance and P, Christine and Patricia. Our last game for tonight, Micah, Daddy Jeff, James and Jerome. Last 8 games, players.
Crush ka mo yan, no?
Last 8 games. Please settle your queuing fee here at court number 2. Thank you.
Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. May ginampangan ng mga nila. Ako na, nag-aadalatan siya. Dali. Dito lang. Dito sa Chakayo. Ayan po dito, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. May iba Saturday.
Sige, ito.
Walang may maglalaro sa'yo. Monthly week, 120 lang. Tapos, kada ampang, every time laro, yung bola namin, din may 60. Ati sila 30 pesos. 120, ati-ati sila. Tapos, bahala na sila sa use ball. Ganun yung nangyari. So, for example, mga 5 games sila. So, 150, 120 lang. 270 yan. For example, 400, diba? Lalangawin mo. Dito magagawa mo talaga. Oo, kayon yan, kayon. Oo. Ang mo nagkakataputin mo. Kaya nga, gani. Tingnan sa makulot. Kamu ni Mike? Hindi nga, makakulutan. Makakulutan. Pero kayo sa diyan naman. Sa diyan naman. Ito lang sa diyan. Korte, yan o. Oo, yan. Simple ito, ay tanda yan. Wala na ito. Oo, champion na naman dyan. Oo, ano naman sila? Oo, ano naman na sila, ano naman na, Bago. Oo, mga ilan. Nandito po kasi yung maganda ng saka para lumakas na dito.
Outside.
Ha? Kailangan naman ng mga ano talaga. Pakulo. Support okay po, spacious. Yung problema lang talaga ng mark. Try kayo namin. 250 ka ba? Tapos ang ewan ko sila pa paano. See? Si Pamati. Player na ako. Player din ako. Hindi na player. Paano mo na
Court 1, your last game. GNXCN versus Will and JV. Court 1, your last game.
friendly Mike?
GNXCN versus Will and JV.